Right, what we're going to do this morning is we're going to make some Rocky Road crispy cakes. So before we start, we're going to wash our hands. I've got some warm water here and I've got some nice soap. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to make sure I wash all my fingers, all my thumbs, the backs of my hands, and put them in the water and rinse them. So all the soap's gone, ready for me to do some cooking. So I'm going to dry my hands, put this quickly in the bin, and then we're going to start. So the things we'll need is, we've got some Rice Krispies, but if you haven't got Rice Krispies, you could use corn flakes or you could use Weetabix. And also I'm going to put some raisins in, but if you haven't got raisins, don't worry. And marshmallows. And also some chocolate. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to move these out of the way, and I've washed my hands, haven't I? So now I'm going to put my apron on to keep myself clean so I don't get chocolate on myself. So I'm just going to do this up, and then I'm going to get the chocolate out. I've got a big bowl of chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate, don't they? So I'm just going to open it, and I'm going to break it up and put it into this big bowl, ready to go into the microwave. We've got the microwave over there, and we're going to put it on for 30 seconds to start with to see if that will melt it. So there we go, all breaking up nicely. You could use white chocolate or dark chocolate if you wanted to. It's really up to you what sort of chocolate you would like. And also, if you didn't have chocolate, you could use some syrup. We've got some in the cupboard, I think. I'm going to put this in the microwave now. And see if that's going to melt. So while we're waiting, I'm going to open the Rice Krispies up. I've got some here. Get those ready. And also get the tray ready, and I think I might use these nice football ones. Put these in the tray like this, or I might use some spotty ones as well, I think, just for a change. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. Let's see how many we've got there. There's quite a lot there, isn't there? Right, let's see if that's cooked. Oh no, it's not cooked quite, is it? Right, so I'm going to put it in for a bit longer. There we go. So while we're waiting, put this in the bin. You're going to tidy up as you go along, haven't you? I'm going to get some marshmallows. I've got some white ones and some pink ones. So I'm going to get a knife and I'm going to cut them up so that they are smaller to go in the bowl. Quite sticky, but they do taste really yummy. It's hard not to eat them really, but they'll have to go in my cakes, otherwise I won't have any, will I? So there we go, that's that done. Let's have a look at the... Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Let's give it a stir and see if it's going to melt. Sometimes it does melt. Yeah, oh, look at that. You can see it's still a little bit hot in there, so it's melting and melting. That's it. Lovely, I think that's just right. Ready, I'm going to put the marshmallows in. I've got the white and the pink ones. In they go. That's it. Let's pour some of these raisins on this plate. I'm going to tip those in. In they go. Right, and I better give it a stir. Let's mix them all in. That's it. Right. I'll put some Rice Krispies in now. Do a little bit at a time, and then you know how much mixture you've got. That's it, mixing it all the time. So I think I can put a little bit more in. That's probably about right, I think. Let's give it a stir. And let's see how that's... Oh, that's looking good, isn't it? It's coating, all the chocolate's coating all the Rice Krispies. And I think that's just going to be right. So I think to help me get the mixture into the tin, I'm going to get a spoon out. Right, so I've got to move the plate out of the way. There we go. I'm going to use this spoon, and then that'll help me get the right amount to go in these little cake cases. Just have a little bit more, I think. And I'm going to keep going until I fill all of them up. And then once I've filled them all up, I'm going to put them in the fridge to harden. And then we're going to eat them for our snack this morning, I think. So that looks really tasty, doesn't it? So as I say, you can put anything you like in it, and obviously be very careful around the microwave, get an adult's help, and also the chocolate might be a little bit hot, so make sure that you don't touch it with your fingers. So keep on filling these up. So they're looking really tasty, aren't they? It's making me feel quite hungry. There we go, a little bit more. Yeah. Oh, I can't forget that little one down there. I'll just put a plain one in there. There we go. There. So that's what you could be making at home. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.